Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your mobile phone with TV. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, so let's start the video. So friends, you have to check your mobile phone firstly. Okay, then you have to move on your setting. Here you can see your setting option on your mobile phone. So friends, here you have to click on your mobile phone. Okay, after that from here you can see your search setting. So here you have to click on your search setting. Let's click on search setting. When you click on the search setting, you have to search for the cars. Okay, screen cars or cars you have to search. Okay friends, like I search for the cars only. You can search screen cars or only the cars. Okay, so here I search for the cars and here the first option cars has came, and after that here you have to click on the cars. Okay friends, after that when you click on the cars, here again you can see option again the cars option. So here again you have to click on the cars. Okay, so here I move on the cars and here you have to turn on this cars option. Okay friends, you can see here the cars option. So here you have to move on your cars. So here I click on the cars. When I click on the cars, here you can see this is my TV. You have to search for your own TV. Okay, after that here you have to on your TV. Okay friends, so here let's on the TV. So here you have to move on your setting. Okay friends, so let's move on setting. You just slide. After that when you reach on setting, you have to move on your setting. Okay, here is your setting. Okay friends, maybe you can see nicely here setting. Okay friends, after that here you have to click on your setting. When you click on your setting, here you can see friends on the side. Here you can see mirroring. So here you have to click on mirroring. Okay friends, so just click on the mirroring. When you move on your mirroring, you have to click on mirroring. Okay, just click it and after that you have to scroll on the down. This one, display mirroring, you have to click on display mirroring, and right now you have to on your this mobile phone. Okay friends, here you can see this is my TV. Okay, you have to search on your TV. Here the name should be the same. Okay, this name should be same. Okay friends, with your mobile phone. After that you just click on this here, this TV option, this name. Okay, this name option on that your mobile phone. Then it's connecting. You can see here it's connecting. Okay, so you have to wait. You should not click here and there. Okay, the name should be same what's in your TV, and it should be on your mobile phone. See here friends, you can see it has been connected successfully. Okay friends, so let's make the brightness little bit lower. Okay, then friends, here you can see I can show you. Wait for some few minutes. Here it's the TV. Okay, and right now I will show you how you can play your contact number, your Play Store, and you can play your YouTube. On the YouTube you can search the video, you can play movies. Okay, by just mirroring. Okay, suppose I just want to search this one. Okay, my channel average DTI only. So I search my channel average DTI only, and you can see here only tag. This one is my channel only tag. Okay, click on only tag. After that when you click on average only tag, here you can see this is my video, and here I just want to play some video. Okay, so let's play some video. Okay friends, you can rotate also. Okay, let's rotate it also. Okay, so here advertising, it's wait, you have to wait for some few minutes friends. Here is your, see, you can rotate right now. See friends, you can make it large also. You can zoom out and zoom in also. Okay friends, see, you can zoom in and you can zoom out. Okay, so let's make on mobile phone also the same brightness so that you can see. So I can zoom in and zoom out also. Okay, you can see on TV also. Okay friends, so friends, right now you understand, I think so, how to connect and how to disconnect. Okay friends, so hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video and subscribe my channel. So friends, here what you need to do is that here you can play game also if you want to play some game, and if you want to watch movies also, you can watch movies. If you want to play game, watch movies, watch YouTube and whatever. Okay, you can just connect and watch. Okay, if you want large screen. Okay friends, so friends, here is about this screen mirroring. Hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video. Bye.